You can add several different content types to your pages. In the Adobe Illustrator workshop, you will create graphics that can be imported directly into Portfolio and stored there. In the other workshops, you will develop projects that reside on various cloud services outside of Portfolio. In this step, I'm going to show you how to add images to the portfolio directly, how to embed content from external sources, and how to add simple text descriptions to your projects. Let's begin by looking at the Adobe Illustrator project. Click on the Faculty Development Institute menu item to make sure that you're back at the home page, and then click on the Illustrator project. Click on the image icon to start building this page. Navigate to the folder where your Illustrator assets are located and select the item you want to upload to Portfolio. If you hover your cursor just below the image you imported, you will see a thin blue line with a plus symbol appearing. Click the blue plus symbol and choose Image from the pop-up menu as many times as needed to upload all of your Illustrator assets. When you have added your assets, you can then add a text area where you can type a description of the project and maybe a reflection on how you created it. Hover your cursor just below the image and click the blue plus symbol. Choose Text from the pop-up menu. Now you can enter a text description of your project in the text box. In many cases, you will want to add content that Portfolio can either not host or that is stored on an external cloud service. In this case, you can use the Embed feature to link your content to Portfolio. Go to the website where your asset is hosted and find the option to share via Embed. Copy the embed code that is generated for you. Go back to Adobe Portfolio. Go to the project that you want to work on and select Embed from the building blocks. Now to go to the left side to the Portfolio menu and paste in the embed code. You can make the embedded content larger by adjusting the height and width of the embedded frame. Find the values for height and width within the embed code and change the width to 1024 and the height to 768. Click Save Embed to save the code. We're going to add a text area to this project as well and enter a short description. In some instances, the hosting site will not have an option to generate embed codes. If this is the case, you may be able to use an external iframe generator to generate a code for you. Go to the website that you want to embed and find the share option. As we can see, there is no option here to generate embed code, so we're going to copy the link instead. And then we're going to go to the website iframegenerator.com and paste the link into the field iframe URL, and then click Generate to create the code. We copy that. We go back to Adobe Portfolio. This is an InDesign project, so we click here. And we're going to create an embed. We paste in the code. We want to go ahead and change the height and the width. So 768 by 1024, and then save the embed. And now the project is embedded into our portfolio, and we can use the navigation feature within the linked site. Again, we're going to add a description field here. Add a text field at the bottom and type in our text.